Joyce. Nire-record ko to kasi birthday mo. Ayun, birthday. Happy birthday, be. I love you so much. I miss you so much. Ikaw at ikaw lang mamahalin ko. And have many more birthdays to come and blessings to come. Always keep on praying. Always keep on smiling. I love you so much. Ito medyo may buhok na, pero okay pa rin. Hindi pa nag-aahit. Love you. Ayun, yun, sana magustuhan mo itong konting video na ginawa ko. Dahil kasi birthday mo, at mahal na mahal na mahal na mahal kita. At ikaw lang talaga mamahal ko. Namimiss na kita ng sobra. Sana, ayun, sana makauwi ka na. At ayun, magawa na natin lahat ng mga dapat natin gawin. And then, ayun, harap na kita sa entablado sa church, syempre. Ayun, nakasama kita na magiging wife ko. Ayun, at magiging maligaya tayo habang buhay. At ikaw lang talagang pinaka-the best sa akin. Kahit ano pang sabihin ng iba. You'll always be beautiful in my eyes. You'll always be smart in my eyes. And you'll always be my princess, my queen, and my love. At ikaw lang talagang pinaka-the best sa akin. Amen. At ikaw ang binigay ng Diyos sa akin na, ayun, na minahal ko. At ikaw ang binigay ng Diyos sa akin na pinaka-the best. Wala na akong mabanggit, puro pinaka-the best. Nakailang the best na ba ako? Anyway, ayun, mahal na mahal kita, be. Mahal na mahal. At miss na kita. Sa ngayon nakikita mo itong video na to, sana malinaw. At ayun, happy birthday, be. I love you so much. I love you so much, and always take care. Love you. Mwah.